Governing benefits delivery. This is a critical element of successful benefits delivery in any organisation because the primary role of the governance team is to deliver the promised value, the outcomes, benefits and financial value in full in the business. That's why you commissioned the project in the first place, to get the benefits, to get the value, to get the end states and outcomes. It wasn't to deliver something on time, on budget. That's important, but it's not the reason why you do projects. So the primary role of the governance team is to deliver the promised value in full in the business. Governing benefits delivery is therefore your key role as a governance team. It's not some supplementary role or some onerous obligation. It is why you exist. Delivering benefits makes sense of the governance role because you've already got someone managing the project. They're called the project manager. And delivery of the benefits is your primary measure of success. When your project is finished, it is finished when you've realised the benefits. It is not finished when it's just delivered. That is just a stage along the way. So the key thing to remember here is this is your primary role. Project governance is the link between strategy, the business, value and results. It's a critical role, which is why when research is done into the reasons why projects fail, poor project governance ranks numbers 1, 2 and 3. Poor project management is normally about 5 or 6 or 7. So this is critical to the success of getting the value out of your projects. You've got strategy that in your organisation, whether it's articulated or not, which is your means to get to the results you want to achieve. And you have your project outcomes and the delivery processes whereby you deliver projects. But there's a gap, as you can see. And that gap is where you fit in, the governance team delivering the value. Because all of this is linked. Strategy, the governance team is executing the strategy to deliver the value that will deliver the results through effective governance of the project and technical aspects and the delivery of the outcomes. That's what it's all about. You are in charge of or orchestrating the business value lens, as we call it, the perspective that says we are here to make sure that this project investment delivers business value. You therefore have to lead, direct and control the project and technical delivery aspects to make sure you get the value you desire and that you promise that's available. And when you do, you are therefore contributing to the overall strategy by delivering that strategic investment successfully. The key is not to get caught up in the project management world, but to remain in the business value world. The measures of success of these areas are quite different. So you've got the delivery measures of success, the project's effective delivery of the planned outputs. You've got the project level measures, the project and business delivery of the planned outcomes, the business outcomes, the new operating end states. Then your measures of success in terms of the business's delivery of the full available value. The full available value. And then the organisation's achievement of its strategic results. These are cumulative, they contribute to each other, but you as the governance team are focused on the business delivery of the full available value through making sure that the project has delivered its outputs and outcomes. Therefore, you need to govern both the delivery and the risks to the delivery of the benefits. You need to determine, do you have plans in place to successfully deliver the benefits due on the delivery of the project, as well as the benefits due after the end of the project? There is a notion promulgated by the project fraternity that they are not accountable for benefits. That's nonsense. there are going to be a range of benefits that are made available by the delivery of the project. These need to be identified and included as part of the delivery of the project, so that if, for example, you are going to decommission a system, then the project hasn't finished till that system's been decommissioned. Other benefits won't be available or won't be realisable for some time. These are obviously the post-project benefits. Therefore, you need plans in place to make sure that someone knows what to do, when to do it, in order to realise that benefit. And you as the governance team can continue to monitor to make sure that those benefits are achieved. If you don't have plans to achieve your benefits, you will not achieve them. As simple as that. And also you need to have control over the risks to the successful delivery of the benefits. And there are 4 types of risks that we equip you to manage. Project delivery risks, the risks to actually being able to deliver the project and its benefits. The business impact risks, which are the risks to the business from the project. Is this project going to challenge the business in ways that need to be effectively managed? Critical success factors. Now, there's a lot of talk about critical success factors as the most important success factors, which is nonsense. Again, this is a misunderstanding of the term. Critical success factors are the prerequisites to success. What has to exist or happen for this project to be successful that is outside the control of the project manager? Therefore, because they're outside the control of the project manager, they are within the scope of the governance team. You need to know what these critical success factors are and what's happening to them throughout the project. And finally, the leading indicators of failure. What can you keep track of that will tell you now that your project is going off your rails, not in some 4, 6, 8 months' time when it shows up in the project reporting? These are all the things you need to focus on to be successful in governing benefits. It really is that simple. Far more information on project governance, what it is and how to be an effective sponsor and steering committee is available at the top projectgovernance.com website. Hope you'll find this useful and that all your projects deliver all the available value. Thank you.